Hey guys, my name's John Erickson, and I'm auditioning for the role of Cameron. Thanks so much for having me read. Looks like a fun project.
Oh God.
You alright?
Yeah, distracted. How's that coming along?
It's going. How's the new boss?
Oh, he's fine. Annoying.
Anything interesting happen today?
No. How was the route?
Ugh, annoying. Yeah, also annoying.
So, this anniversary surprise you have planned. I just want to make sure that my surprise doesn't conflict with yours.
Well,
Because I was going to get something that maybe we could both enjoy, together.
Oh, yes. It's funny you should say that because that's exactly what I had in mind.
Really?
Yeah, duh.
Great! I think I'm going to pause on painting for tonight and clean up if that's okay.
Sure.
Hey, I noticed a new cabinet in the garage.
Oh, yeah. That's my collector's edition prints. I don't want the cat hopping on the shelves and knocking them over or something, so I locked them.
Okay, I'm gonna go take a shower real quick.
Sounds good. What was that?
What was what?
Something touched me.
You mean my foot?
Didn't feel like your foot. It felt wet and cold.
What the fuck, Cam?
Keep your tentacles to yourself.
Excuse me?
I'm sorry. I just can't believe you get off to that shit.
Did you log onto my computer?
Yeah, I hacked it. I hacked in.
It's not hacking if you typed in a password, dipshit.
You have terabytes of hentai saved on your computer, Alice. If your porn files were yarn, you could wrap them around the earth twice.
Are you kidding me? You have a fucking Library of Congress-sized collection of smut fiction.
Hey, they're novels.
Oh, come on, that stuff is garbage. Who the fuck is this Virgin Lady Rose with her cribbing lips and submissive tits and that ridiculous voice acting? I'm the pervert? That shit is written by some fucking male incel that never got over the girl in high school who fucked the prom king instead of them, so pardon me for not being particularly open-minded to this misogyny.
Misogyny. Cried the rape fetish? You want to talk your way through getting off on hearing no? Tentacle girl?
Her name is Kiko, and you can't rape a drawing. And it's not about that. It's about feeling in control, asshole.
Well, it's not about quivering lips. It's about being open to embracing your emotions.
Cam.
No! Which means no, by the way. And I hated the prom king. All right, let's take a look.